right.
Miranda.
Yeah.
It's a solid spaghetti taco.
I love the show, but at the end of the day,
It's about the food.
it's about the food.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Reveal it. Oh. Whoa. There we go. All right, take it away.
We made a creamy chicken tomato pasta.
This was a dessert inspired by my father. He's not here with us.